a 10-minute fat-burning workout that truly delivers results. These exercises are part of many high-intensity routines that take no more than 10 minutes to complete. You can get in shape in a short amount of time, and all you need to focus on is using the correct technique. Even the busiest individuals can make time for this simple set of 7 exercises. You can do all of them while following along with the video. Give it a shot. It's a simple and enjoyable workout. Before starting your training, make sure to warm up. A proper warm-up helps prevent injuries during exercise. While warming up, you can begin with a few squats. For starters, do 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Great. Now try some arm and leg swings. Body rotations and bends. And don't forget neck and knee warm-ups. Now you're ready for our fat-burning workout. Let's get started. Exercise number 1, Sumo jump squats. Place your legs wide apart with your toes pointing outward. Push your hips slightly back. Now squat down until your knees form a right angle. Tighten your glutes, jump straight upward, and land softly. Repeat this exercise 12 times. I'll give you 30 seconds to complete the set, and we'll count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Only 3 reps left. 10, 11, and 12. Great work. You're ready for the next one. By the way, you should perform all the exercises one after another, only stopping if you truly need a rest. Exercise number 2, push-ups with a raised hand. Get into a plank position with your legs, back, and neck in a straight line. As you breathe in, bend your elbows to form right angles and lower yourself down. As you breathe out, push back up and tap your shoulder with the opposite hand. Repeat this 12 times, alternating hands. Let's begin. 1, 2, 3, 4. You can also perform this on your knees if needed. 5, 6, 7. Do you feel your muscles burning? That means you're doing it correctly. 8, 9, 10, 11. And the last one, 12. This workout includes 7 exercises, and we've already completed 2. Keep going. Your dream body is getting closer. Exercise number 3, jump plank. Start in a plank position with your body forming a straight line, engaging your core and legs. Jump your feet forward toward your hands. Then jump upward, raising your arms as well. Return to a low squat position and jump back into the starting plank. How many reps should you do? 12 again. I'll give you 30 seconds. That should be enough. Ready? Go. Remember, the workout should make you feel energized, not completely exhausted. Keep a steady pace. Don't overdo it. If you feel tired, pause the video and take a short break. While doing the exercise, focus on your muscles and clear your mind of negative thoughts. A positive mindset is key. Finished already? No time to slow down. Let's move to the next exercise. Exercise number 4, knee pull plank. Start in a plank position supported on your elbows. Bring your left knee toward your left elbow, then return to the starting position. Repeat with your right leg. As usual, aim for 12 repetitions. If you prefer not to count, perform it for 30 seconds. Here's your half minute. Bring your left knee to your left elbow, then return. Now switch to the right knee. Left.
Right.
Keep going until time is up. Exercise number 5. Jumps forward and to the side. From a half squat position, jump forward and to one side. Then jump to the opposite side. How many reps? That's right, 12. Want me to count? Let's go.
1, 2,
3,
4, 5, 6, 7.
You're doing amazing.
Keep going. 8, 9, 10,
11. And the final one, 12. How are you feeling? If you need a break, pause the video, grab some water, walk around, and wipe off the sweat. I'll give you 10 seconds to recover. But don't sit. Stay moving. Ready? Let's continue. Exercise 6. Plank with a raised hand. Hold a plank position with your body in a straight line and your core engaged. Slowly raise your right arm until it's parallel to the floor, while moving your right leg outward. Return to the starting position and repeat on the other side. Let's do 3 reps on each side. Start with the right side.
1, 2,
3. Now the left side. 1,
2,
and 3. Excellent. Now we're on the final exercise. Exercise number 7. Jumps with knees to the chest. Stand with your feet shoulder-width apart. Keep your knees slightly bent and your hands in front of you. Jump up and bring your knees as close to your chest as possible. Land gently. Get ready and repeat 12 times. Here's your 30 seconds. Keep it controlled. No need to rush. If you perform this routine regularly, your entire body can transform within just a few weeks. How are you feeling? A bit tired? That's completely normal. Only 10 seconds left.
Fantastic job.
Repeat this entire routine every 2 days and gradually increase your repetitions. Workout plan. Have you tried these exercises before? Share your experience in the comments below. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to stay motivated and keep improving your fitness journey.